How to fix iPhone not pairing with Apple Watch. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to fix iPhone not pairing with Apple Watch. So let's begin. The very first step that I would like you to do is to make sure first that you have turned on your Bluetooth on your iPhone. So, to make sure that you have turned on your Bluetooth, you may go to your control center and then make sure that the Bluetooth icon is highlighted. Or you may also go to settings and then go to Bluetooth right here. Click on it and make sure to click on the toggle button found on the rightmost part of Bluetooth. And then you may now try connecting your Apple Watch to your iPhone once again. However, if it doesn't work, what I would like you to do now is to reset the network settings of your iPhone. So this will reset your Bluetooth as well as your Wi-Fi and also the signal of your SIM. So to do that, simply open your settings once again and then go to General and then go to the bottom of the page and look for Transfer or Reset iPhone. So click on Transfer or Reset and then click on Reset and click on Reset Network Settings. And then wait for it to load. And again, if it doesn't work, what I would like you to do now is to go to the Watch app of your iPhone. So go to Watch and then make sure that you have chosen your correct watch. And then you may go to um, settings. So look for settings or general right here. So you go to general and then go to the bottommost part and make sure to reset your Apple Watch. So do take note that this will be the last step if all of these steps that I have taught you doesn't work. So if you reset your Apple Watch, make sure to back up your Apple Watch first, and then you may now reset it, and then you may reset the home screen layout. You may erase the Apple Watch content and settings, and then once you erase all the settings and content, you need to repair. You need to pair again your Apple Watch to your iPhone. So to pair it, you just simply assume that you are in this page like this one, and then simply click on setup for myself and then direct the um, camera, your iPhone camera to your Apple Watch. So the Apple Watch will show a somewhat a circle thing or a logo in which it will indicate that your Apple Watch and iPhone will be connected. So again, if all of these steps still doesn't work, then what I would like you to do is to contact Apple support or go to the nearest Apple or Mac center for more assistance. So that's it. That's how you can fix iPhone not pairing with Apple Watch. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.